So in this SeatGeek tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Broadway show tickets here through the SeatGeek application. So once SeatGeek's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the home screen here. So go to the bottom left, press on the home screen, which I'm on right now, or you can go to the bottom left and beside that, press on the search icon, go to the top and search on the Broadway show that you're looking for. But if you go back to the home screen here, scroll down to where it says browse by category and then press on view all. Once you're on this screen, if you want to, just scroll down to where it says Broadway shows, then you can press on view all. So for me right here, it actually does show the Broadway shows that are in the area that I chose. If you want to change the location, go to the top right, press on the filter button, and then you can change the location or whatever you want. So if you're in New York City, for instance, you can go ahead and view it that way. But once you're here, you have all the Broadway shows at your disposal. So I have The Lion King, I have Dirty Dancing, I have Funny Girl, Annie, a whole bunch of different, Beetlejuice, a whole bunch of different concerts that you can buy in regards to Broadway shows here through the SeatGeek application. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Broadway show tickets on SeatGeek. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.